So brand new on the stand here at ISE, what we have is the new Infinity 4000 line. So this is a product that we've introduced to allow our customers to handle 4K within their Infinity environment. So it's a new dual head 4K platform. We've once again used our lossless codec, so you're going to get a spatially lossless 4K at 60 Hz, but not only that, it's actually dual head. So we're delivering two screens at 4K 60 Hz over one single fiber cable. You've also got the features like the teaming, so if you want the ability to run two cables and have network redundancy, you've still got that. And we're using our same USB strategy as well, which means that everything's completely backwards compatible with the original 100T, the 1002T, 2020T, and the other transmitters in the range that we're selling at the moment at HD and dual link resolutions. So here's the product. We have dual head DisplayPort inputs. We have our two SFPs. We're using 10 gigabit networking, so we're able to deliver the dual 4K plus the USB over that 10 gigabit network. We have two for teaming, but ultimately you just need one to get started. So you'll get two 4K 60s completely lossless over that single fiber cable. And then you can use your standard HP or Cisco network for doing all your routing and multicasting. And then for the receiver side, we have our USB ports front and back, microphone input, output, and then some new features like the LCD screen, which are really helping customers through the industrial design. The Ipeps range has been around for a little while. We've had the analog products and the digital products, and now we've launched the Ipeps Plus. So this is a digital Ipeps product with a few more features, a lot more security wrapped around, and also improved video performance over WAN networks. So the whole range gives you access securely to computers that are maybe in a different building or another city or even another country, over the public internet or a low bandwidth WAN network. And the idea is that we use the VNC platform embedded onto a chip to allow you to get hardware remote access. So there's no need to install software on your computer. You plug the Ipeps into the computer that you want to target, and then from a laptop or any other PC that you want to connect to, you run your VNC viewer, connect into the Ipeps remotely, and you then have full control of that PC. We do that securely, so the signal is encrypted. We have Active Directory integration, so you can control who has access to what and what level of access they have. And then of course, because we're not installing software on the PC no longer needs to be on the public internet itself, and there is an air gap between your connection and the PC and its private network. Okay, so we've redesigned the video codec within the VNC wrapper. So you get the security of VNC and the performance and features of VNC, but our new codec gives a much better video performance, and we have the ability to output up to 400 megabits. So depending on the bandwidth you have available to you, you could receive up to 30 Hertz video. It's going to be that at-the-desk PC experience. So if you're over long distance but you've got the bandwidth capability. At the other end of the scale, some of our customers just have 3 or 5 megabits available. They're still going to be able to access, and the frame rate is about 3 to 5 times more than the original Ipeps models. So you're going to see a big improvement over those original models if you're working on extremely low bandwidths. You know, a week of getting back from ISE, we'll be shipping our first units. We do have units in the hands of customers already, so you'll be available to the public very, very soon.